And today I brought the fly rod. It's a 3-weight, 10-foot long, this foam damselfly. It's one that I tied really quickly right before coming out here. And we're just gonna see what we can do today. Just work on the pond that's just kind of roaming around. Oh, there we go, over here on my left. There's one. Maybe I can get him to hit when I pop it. Huh, interesting. Let's try that. Here comes one. Oh, he looked at it. Here he comes. Came up behind it, but he turned away. There he goes. Oh, he swiped it. There he goes. Nice. On the damselfly. Surface action. Cool beans. All right. Yeah, that one I was able to see him kind of come up behind it with the V-wake behind it. And there he is. First fish of the day, gonna be a damselfly. A bass on a damselfly. He's already tore up the tail on it. Man, bummer. Look at that. He's already torn up the tail. No, it's still fishable. All right, so I'm working my way to the back pond area, just looking for a clear area. There's a lot of greenery growing in the water now, so it's gonna make it a lot tougher. And it's kind of the reason why I left the bait finesse gear at home, because I was thinking it was already gonna start clobbering up on us before they put that blue dye stuff in the water. So yeah, looks like I lucked out with the right gear and going with the fly rod. Oh, there's something coming behind it. There it goes. Ah, oh. I think that was a bluegill. Oh yeah, there we go. A little bit further out, it looks like. A couple of hits. All right, let's just pop it out here. See if I can get another one. Here he comes. I see it. There he goes. Nice. This one is, oh, it's a bass. Okay. Another bass on the damselfly. All right, and it's getting beat up, but hey, it only takes me less than a minute. Oops, sorry, less than a minute to tie these things. I used to add a little chenille on the bottom, right on the hook body portion of it, or the body portion. And then I found out that, well, they don't care. They're still hitting it. So look at this guy. There's something big moving. Woohoo! All right. I don't know if he'll go for a damselfly, but we'll see. So, cast in the water. Oh, there's another hit. It's a little guy. All right, we found the bluegill. Nice, blue gale. So 2 bass and a bluegill using a size 10 hook. Tail is getting ready to fall off, but you know the good thing about this? They'll still hit it without the tail. This is where I saw that bigger wake. Oh, something's coming behind it. Yeah, here he comes. There he goes. All right, so that one I was watching the wake, and I knew he was gonna come back, and got him to hit. Let's do short pulls. Oh, there's something chasing it. He's coming back. Got him. Ah, shoot. That one turned around and chased it. Nice. Little guy. All right. Okay, and what I was doing there was watching the water area around it, and I could see a little V-wake or hump in the water, and that gave me a good indication that I had a fish looking at it. All right, there's something chasing it right there. He chased it. Ah, that one came up right behind it and started popping at it. Oh man, I can't believe it. I pulled it out of his mouth. So far. Oh, there's the hit. That one I didn't have a telltale. He just hit it. All right, Basalito. Damselfly is a rockin'. See if I can entice something to come and hit. Come on. Oh, here he comes. There he is. Oh, I saw the V-wake. I saw the wake come up behind it, and he struck. All right. And the main reason I'm using top water stuff right now is just because there's a lot of greenery. If you look out in the distance over there, there's a lot of this green stuff everywhere. Oh, here comes something. There he goes. Yeah. All right. I saw that one. Little V-wake. This guy went for a rectangular grasshopper. And that one I just tied on a whim just to say, I wonder if they'll hit something that isn't even really shaped like a grasshopper. Instead, it's just a a rectangular piece of foam, and it got shaped by when I put the legs and tied it to the body right here, the hook to the body here, and that's it. It's rectangular, and the shape now is because of the leg and that head that I've made. And they're hitting it. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, there's two of them. Shoot, they must be little. Or I'm just not hooking them. There he goes. All right. That one I saw lurking around it. And then he hit. Oh, he's a little guy. All right, I'm glad if you guys are able to join today. I'm just pretty much letting the GoPro run and give you an idea of what can be done in just a, well, I think I started at 7, so I don't know what time is it now. 7:50, so about just under an hour. Just kind of working my way in the evening pond fishing for whatever bites. And in this case, when there's a lot of greenery in the water, pull out a damselfly, a foam grasshopper, basically something that can stay above the greenery so that you can continue to fish. There's like 3 or 4 that seem to be circling the area. I gotta take my glasses off. Oh, there's one coming. V-wake, twitch, strike. Got him. It's pretty fun, I'll tell you that. Especially since you can sense that you're gonna get a strike because you're pretty much watching them come up behind it and strike. So let me grab this guy here. Not big, but they are fun to catch. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna do a quicker twitch because I want to see if I can get another big wake coming up behind it, or at least another indication. I think I got. Oh, there we go. I thought I had some greenery on it, but this guy went ahead and hit it still. All right, Basilito. Come back. Here he comes. He's still there. All right, there he goes. It's like he just kept hitting it, coming up behind it, taking a look at it, nipping at it, and then finally he said, I'm gonna hit it. Oh yeah, it's good stuff, man. Come on. Here he goes. Got him. That one swirled. Big swirl too. He's a little bit bigger than the other one, so let's bring him out over here real quick. He's actually putting a good bend in this rod. All right, I'm having fun. He swiped it. There he goes. Came up behind it. Nice. Nice. Not a big one, but he counts. Yeah, so if you're not able to stay for the whole event, live stream, I'll get an edited version so you can just go to the sections that I actually are catching something. And other than that, that is pretty much some fun stuff.